And so, we took our first steps inside our new home. A house full of history, dating back to the early 70s. Someone has lived within these walls, loved and pampered this old house for years. A certain sense of respect is a must, and we are trying to carry on all the love for these four walls as we proceed with the work. The details are very rich, and certainly the family that preceded us did not miss anything. The most demanding job is certainly the removal of the wallpaper. There was no wall without one or more layers of this finish, which in those years was synonymous with great value and style. It is now very worn and decaying, so we need to remove it. To remove the wallpaper, you need to truly wet the walls with soap and water or degreaser. Wet once, twice, 10 times. And wait. A work of patience. After about 10 minutes, the paper can be easily removed with the help of a spatula. I must say that in the long run, this job can be really tedious, worse than shingles. I had to repair the electrical system as best I could to allow us to move around the house. The works that await us are enormous, and this is only the beginning. Here I am, the Lord of a Dump. Take a good look at this photo. From here, exactly from here, begins the future of maxdmcrafting. I love you guys. See you next time.